Achieving financial freedom is a dream for many, but it's a goal that can be attained with the right mindset, strategies, and dedication. The Financial Freedom Blueprint serves as your comprehensive guide to building wealth, securing your financial future, and ultimately gaining the freedom to live life on your own terms. In this in-depth roadmap, we'll explore the fundamental principles of financial freedom, including saving, investing, debt management, and lifestyle choices, to help you embark on your journey toward a prosperous and financially secure future. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Setting your financial goals. Defining financial freedom. Start by clarifying what financial freedom means to you. Is it early retirement, traveling the world, or having the ability to pursue your passions without financial constraints? Define your financial goals and create a clear vision for your future. Short-term and long-term goals. Distinguish between short-term and long-term financial goals. Prioritize them based on their importance and feasibility, as this will guide your financial planning and decision-making. Smart goal setting. Apply the SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound framework to your goals. This approach ensures your goals are well-defined and attainable. Building a solid financial foundation. Budgeting and expense tracking. Create a budget to understand where your money goes and identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses. Tracking your spending is the first step towards financial discipline. Emergency fund. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. Having a financial cushion prevents you from dipping into your savings or going into debt during emergencies. Debt management. Develop a strategy for managing and reducing your debt. Prioritize high-interest debts and explore options like debt consolidation or refinancing to lower interest rates. Saving for financial freedom. Pay yourself first. Allocate a portion of your income to savings before covering other expenses. This approach ensures consistent saving and builds the foundation for wealth accumulation. Retirement savings. Contribute to retirement accounts such as 401(k)s or IRAs to secure your financial future. Take advantage of employer contributions and consider investing in a diverse portfolio to grow your retirement savings. Tax-efficient saving. Optimize your savings strategy by taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like health savings accounts, HSAs, and 529 plans for education expenses. Reducing your tax liability can significantly boost your savings. Investment strategies for growth. Investment basics. Understand the fundamentals of investing, including asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Learn how to diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. Risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance and align your investment strategy with your comfort level. Balancing risk and reward is essential for long-term wealth accumulation. Compounding returns. Harness the power of compounding returns by reinvesting your earnings. Over time, compounding can lead to significant wealth growth. Dollar cost averaging. Implement a dollar cost averaging strategy, where you regularly invest a fixed amount of money, regardless of market conditions. This strategy helps mitigate the impact of market volatility. Passive income streams. Dividend stocks. Explore dividend-paying stocks that can provide a steady stream of income. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate wealth accumulation. Real estate investments. Consider real estate as a source of passive income. Rental properties and real estate investment trusts, REITs, can generate ongoing cash flow. Online business ventures. Explore opportunities in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or online courses to create passive income streams. Online businesses can provide flexibility and scalability. Tax efficiency and wealth preservation. Tax planning. Optimize your tax strategy to minimize your tax liability legally. Utilize tax-efficient investment accounts, deductions, and credits to preserve more of your wealth. Estate planning. Prepare for the transfer of your wealth to future generations through estate planning. Create a will, establish trusts, and designate beneficiaries to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Lifestyle choices and financial freedom. Minimalism and frugality. Embrace minimalism and frugality as lifestyle choices. Simplifying your life and reducing unnecessary expenses can accelerate your path to financial freedom. Delayed gratification. Practice delayed gratification by postponing non-essential purchases and focusing on long-term financial goals. Building wealth often requires sacrifices in the short term for greater rewards in the future. Side hustles and entrepreneurship. Consider starting a side hustle or small business to increase your income and diversify your income sources. Entrepreneurship can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. Monitoring and adjusting your financial plan. Regular assessments. Regularly review your financial plan to ensure it aligns with your goals and life circumstances. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Professional advice. Consult with financial advisors or planners to gain expert insights and guidance. Professionals can help you refine your financial strategy and navigate complex financial matters. Mindset and psychological resilience. Financial mindset. Develop a positive financial mindset that promotes healthy money habits. Recognize and challenge any limiting beliefs about money and wealth. Patience and discipline. Cultivate patience and discipline as key virtues on your journey to financial freedom. Understand that wealth accumulation is a gradual process that requires consistency and self-control. Overcoming financial challenges. Prepare for financial setbacks and challenges that may arise along the way. Building resilience to adversity will help you stay on course during difficult times. Generational wealth and legacy. Generational wealth planning. Consider strategies for creating and preserving generational wealth. Focus on passing down not only financial assets but also financial education and values to future generations. Charitable giving and impact. Incorporate philanthropy into your financial plan. Giving back to causes you care about can be a fulfilling part of your wealth journey and leave a lasting legacy. Financial freedom milestones. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your financial milestones, whether it's paying off debt, reaching a specific savings goal, or achieving a consistent passive income stream. Celebrating achievements can help maintain motivation. Reevaluating and setting new goals. As you reach your initial financial freedom milestones, take time to reassess your goals and set new ones. Your financial aspirations may evolve over time, and your plan should adapt accordingly. Financial education and continuous learning. Stay informed. Keep yourself informed about the latest financial trends, investment opportunities, and changes in tax laws. Continuous learning is essential to make informed decisions. Investment knowledge. Expand your investment knowledge by studying different asset classes, investment vehicles, and financial markets. Staying informed will enable you to make more strategic investment choices. Community and support. Financial community. Connect with a financial community or support network to share experiences, gain insights, and receive encouragement from like-minded individuals on similar financial journeys. Professional guidance. Consider seeking professional guidance from certified financial planners, wealth advisors, or tax experts when making complex financial decisions. Expert advice can be invaluable. Passive income strategies. Real estate investments. Delve deeper into real estate investments by exploring various options such as rental properties, real estate crowdfunding, or commercial real estate. Understand the potential for generating passive income and the associated responsibilities. Dividend growth stocks. Focus on dividend growth stocks that not only provide regular income but also have a track record of increasing dividend payouts over time. These stocks can offer a powerful source of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending. Consider peer-to-peer lending platforms that allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Understand the risks and rewards associated with this investment strategy. Advanced investment strategies. Alternative investments. Explore alternative investments like hedge funds, private equity, and venture capital. These investments can offer diversification and the potential for higher returns, but they also come with higher risk levels. Tax efficiency. Optimize your investment portfolio for tax efficiency by utilizing strategies like tax loss harvesting, tax-efficient fund placement, and gifting assets to reduce tax liabilities. Financial freedom and early retirement. The FIRE movement. Learn about the financial independence, retire early, FIRE movement, which emphasizes aggressive savings and frugal living to achieve financial freedom and retire early. Consider whether this lifestyle aligns with your goals. Creating a retirement withdrawal strategy. If early retirement is your goal, develop a sustainable withdrawal strategy to ensure your financial security throughout retirement. This may involve safe withdrawal rates and budgeting for healthcare costs. Multiple income streams. Side businesses and entrepreneurship. Explore opportunities for starting your own business or side ventures. Entrepreneurship can provide additional income streams and potential tax benefits. Passive business income. Consider creating passive income streams through business investments, such as owning a franchise or purchasing shares in a profitable venture. These investments can provide ongoing income with minimal hands-on involvement. Philanthropy and giving back. Strategic philanthropy. Develop a philanthropic strategy that aligns with your values and financial resources. Explore different avenues for giving back, such as supporting charitable organizations or initiating your philanthropic projects. Impact investing. Explore impact investing, which combines financial returns with social or environmental goals. This approach allows you to make a positive impact while potentially earning returns on your investments. Navigating economic downturns. Crisis preparedness. Prepare for economic downturns and financial crises by maintaining an adequate emergency fund and a well-diversified portfolio. Having a financial safety net can help you weather economic storms. Opportunistic investing. During economic downturns, consider opportunities to purchase assets at discounted prices. These contrarian investments can position you for substantial gains when markets recover. Financial wellness and health. Stress management. Recognize the impact of financial stress on your overall well-being. Implement stress management techniques, such as meditation, exercise, and mindfulness, to maintain mental and emotional health throughout your financial journey. Work-life balance. Strive for a healthy work-life balance. Overworking can lead to burnout and negatively affect your ability to make sound financial decisions and enjoy the benefits of financial freedom. Sustainable living and eco-financial freedom. Sustainable lifestyle choices. Consider adopting a sustainable lifestyle by reducing your carbon footprint and making eco-friendly choices. Sustainable living can lead to cost savings and contribute to a healthier planet. Investing in green technologies. Explore investment opportunities in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and other green technologies. Align your investments with your commitment to sustainability. Conclusion. The journey to financial freedom is both empowering and achievable. The Financial Freedom Blueprint serves as your comprehensive roadmap to guide you through the process of building wealth, managing your finances, and securing your financial future. Remember that financial freedom is not solely about amassing wealth but also about gaining the flexibility and peace of mind to live life on your own terms. By following the principles and strategies outlined in this blueprint, you can take control of your financial destiny. Work toward your goals, and ultimately achieve the financial freedom you desire. Stay committed to your financial plan, remain adaptable, and continue learning along the way. Your path to wealth and prosperity begins with a clear vision in the steps you take today. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.